it just cut off the machine. That's definitely still spinning. The reason why it cut off the machine, you see that bulb right there? It got sucked down where it's not getting any diesel. So you can either open this tad and drain some diesel out, which will help till it starts right there. See, it's starting to come back up. And then the second thing you'll want to do is try to pump it. So you get it repressurized. And shut your door. But you'll want to roll the cab up and get to the fuel tank and clean out the inline filter that's in the bottom of the fuel tank that picks up the diesel, because that's most of the time clogged, and you'll need to take that rubber piece off and just pull it out and clean it. Then it should be good to go.